Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to download videos from Google Photos step by step. Whether you want to save a single video or download multiple videos to your computer, Google Photos makes the process quick and easy. First, open your web browser and go to Photos.google.com. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos home page, find the video you want to download and click on it to open it. You can press the play button to make sure you've selected the correct video. Now click the More icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, choose Download. Google Photos will immediately start downloading the selected video to your computer. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, the download may take a few moments. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the video file. Double-click the file to play it and confirm that it was downloaded successfully. If you need to download several videos at once, simply select multiple videos in Google Photos, choose Download, and Google Photos may package them into a zip file before downloading. After extracting the zip file, you'll be able to access all of your downloaded videos. Downloading your videos is a great way to create an offline backup, transfer files to another device, or keep a copy on your computer whenever you need it. And that's how you can easily download videos from Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.